Today, we are going to draw Polly Parrot. Step 1. Draw a tall jelly bean for the body. Now, draw a small circle for the eye. Inside that circle, make a little black dot. Draw a pointy triangle, like a slice of cheese. Then, draw a straight line in the middle. On top of her head, draw 3 tiny rainbows sitting together. On her back, draw 3 bigger rainbows pointing out. Let's draw the legs. Draw 1 stick, then 2 little branches. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.